All right, we've got a update on the Trump bond. As you know, Trump cried poor for the $465 million bond that was due. He received the surety bond from his buddy over there for $175 million. The surety bond was supposed to be guaranteed by this company, but turns out under further review, the $175 million actually breaks the ceiling of the state law in the state of New York, which says a surety bond company cannot offer a bond for more than 10% of their cash and assets. Their capital is $138 million total in the entire company, and they are guaranteeing a bond for 175. So Miss Letitia James forced the court to force them to show that this company is worthy of such a bond. Now, in the process of showing that the company is not worthy of bond, it showed a $500 million net worth, which is still 175 is way more than 10% for that too, which disqualifies them further. They didn't like the financials that the company put out, so now they are looking at this company for fraudulent financials. And when reading the bond a little bit closer, it says Trump's appellate bond will not be paying anything. The surety bond company wrote in their paperwork they will not be paying anything, which means there is no bond. They also claim that Donald J. Trump has $175 million cash, which is what he put up to guarantee the surety of this bond. That was the insurance policy on the insurance of the surety of the bond. Makes a lot of sense, right? Rather than just putting it up himself. So reviewing the paperwork, there is no bond posted. The court still gave them another 10 days. They've got about a week left to show that they have the $175 million and put it up. Letitia James has already filed the paperwork to start seizing the assets. I would not be surprised if this particular situation calls for her to actually demand the seizure of the assets even sooner than the 10 days, but I don't know what's going to happen with that. That's in question. And yeah, so in the last couple of weeks in April has this bond issue, has the Supreme Court hearing the immunity claim on the 28th, and on the 15th is the start of the Alvin Bragg trial that Trump and his gang of pseudo-legal, pseudo-marry men and women have been fighting and fighting to basically throw out that case and try and delay it even more, request different discovery documents, and Alvin Bragg and the Judge Merchan himself said there is no delays whatsoever. Get ready for April 15th. They already put out jury questionnaires, so that is moving forward too. April is going to be a fun month for Donald. And the microscope's just getting bigger, so hang tight, ladies and gentlemen. This should be very, very, very entertaining. All right. Stay diligent, stay educated, be kind. We are all in this together. And the shit show's just getting started.